This is a Hampton Bay rivergreen. It gobbled a bit. It has Hampton Bay motor. So high, yeah. Good motor. See? It's a good motor. And it does the same with the Farmington. Alright, let's turn on though. It's also located at, somehow it's a rivergreen. In Spanish they call it the Rio de Verde. That's what they called it. Is it like it? Turn on, like it? Medium. Goes same speed as the old Hampton Bay Rivergreen 1980. Now high. That's good. Now let's turn off. Bye bye. Here is a Hampton Bay. Okay. Rivergreen. Bye.